How many bones are there in an adult human being? 150, 270, 206, 300. The correct answer is option C. There are 206 bones in an adult human being. Which component of the human blood is responsible for clotting? Red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, plasma. The correct answer is option C. Platelets component of the human blood is responsible for clotting. In humans, sound is produced by which organ? Larynx, tongue, lungs, diaphragm. The correct answer is option A. In humans, sound is produced by larynx organ. Which endocrine gland is responsible for regulating calcium levels in the blood? Adrenal gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, pancreas. The correct answer is option C. Parathyroid gland is responsible for regulating calcium levels in the blood. Which bone forms the back of the skull and protects the brain? Maxilla, mandible, occipital bone, sternum. The correct answer is option C. Occipital bone forms the back of the skull and protects the brain. Malaria is a disease which affects the heart, lungs, spleen, kidneys. The correct answer is option C. Malaria is a disease which affects the spleen. Which gas is primarily responsible for the color of human blood? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. The correct answer is option A. Oxygen gas is primarily responsible for the color of human blood. Which of the following gland is large size at birth but reduce in size with aging? Pineal, pituitary, thymus, thyroid. The correct answer is option C. Thymus gland is large size at birth but reduce in size with aging. What do we call the tubes that carry blood towards the heart? Arteries, intestines, veins, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Veins carry blood toward the heart. Which of the following is responsible for producing and secreting insulin? Liver, pancreas, kidneys, gallbladder. The correct answer is option B. Pancreas is responsible for producing and secreting insulin. Which part of the human respiratory system carries air into the lungs? Trachea, bronchi, alveoli, diaphragm. The correct answer is option A. Trachea part of the human respiratory system carries air into the lungs. The rate of heartbeat is accelerated by the hormone adrenaline, dopamine, thyroxine, none of these. The correct answer is option A. The rate of heartbeat is accelerated by the hormone adrenaline. What is the tough, fibrous tissue that connects muscle to bone called? Ligament, tendon, cartilage, none. The correct answer is option B. The tough fibrous tissue that connects muscle to bone is called tendon. Which organelle is responsible for detoxifying harmful substances in the cell? Lysosome, Golgi apparatus, peroxisome, nucleus. The correct answer is option C. Peroxisome organelle is responsible for detoxifying harmful substances in the cell. The skeletal system is essential for storing which mineral? Sodium, potassium, calcium, iron. The correct answer is option C. The skeletal system is essential for storing calcium mineral. Which hormone is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels in the body? Insulin, estrogen, testosterone, thyroxine. The correct answer is option A. Insulin hormone is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels in the body. Which bone is commonly referred to as the thigh bone? Humerus, femur, tibia, fibula. The correct answer is option B. Femur bone is commonly referred to as the thigh bone. What is the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight? Fermentation, respiration, photosynthesis, metabolism. The correct answer is option C. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight. Tibia is a bone found in the skull, arm, leg, face. The correct answer is option C. Tibia is a bone found in the leg. Which is the primary function of white blood cells? Carrying oxygen, digesting food, fighting infections, transporting hormones. The correct answer is option C. The primary function of white blood cell is fighting infections. Human body does not produce its protein, fibers, vitamins, hormones. The correct answer is option C. Human body does not produce its vitamins. The rib cage is composed of how many pairs of ribs? 10, 12, 14, 16. The correct answer is option B. The rib cage is composed of 12 pairs of ribs. Hemodialysis means cleaning of urine, blood, insulin, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Hemodialysis means cleaning of blood. Which type of blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? Artery, vein, capillary, aorta. The correct answer is option A. Artery type of blood vessel carries blood away from the heart. What is the name of the process by which plants lose water vapor through their leaves? Transpiration, perspiration, evaporation, condensation. The correct answer is option A. Transpiration is the name of the process by which plants lose water vapor through their leaves. Which bone is commonly referred to as the shoulder blade? Clavicle, humerus, radius, scapula. The correct answer is option D. Scapula bone is commonly referred to as the shoulder blade. A person with which of the following blood group can receive blood of any group? A, AB, B, O. The correct answer is option B. A person with AB blood groups can receive blood of any group. Production of sweat and sebum is related with skin, liver, lungs, GIT. The correct answer is option A. Production of sweat and sebum is related with skin. The function of ribosomes is secretion, excretion, powerhouse of the cell, protein synthesis. The correct answer is option D. The function of ribosomes is protein synthesis. The main function of the kidney is to control blood pressure, to control body temperature, to remove waste product from the body, to help in digestion of food. The correct answer is option C. The main function of the kidney is to remove waste product from the body. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MCQ Challenger for latest informative MCQ.